Hi, I just want to show you how to upload your videos to your YouTube channel once you've made a screencast, and it's very easy. So the first thing you need to do is find your YouTube channel. If you have a Google account, like we do at school, you naturally have a YouTube channel. Basically, it's linked to your Google. So if you go to your Google Apps here, you scroll down until you see YouTube, click on YouTube, and then you click on your picture on the right and click on your channel. And then you can see I've got some videos already, but even if you don't, it will be the same. You have a channel, and basically on the top right corner here, there's a little button that's called create a video or post. You click on that, upload video, and then you can upload any file. So you click on select a file, especially if you've made a screencast involving QuickTime Player. That's the easiest way to upload your video. You upload your video and then it will ask you to fill in some information about your video, whether you want it to be public, that everyone can see it, or unlisted, where only people with the link can see it. So if it's just for your students and you don't want people to see it, then you can put it as unlisted. Make sure it's not private, because if it's private, no one will be able to see it at all. Okay. If you're using Screencastify, it's even easier. So let's say you're making a video with Screencastify. Okay, as shown in my previous video. So you're making your video, and then after you finish your video, which remember is only 5 minutes maximum, when you close, when you pause and when you stop and the recording, it will naturally go into a tab where it's processing your little video. Make sure you enter a title, because otherwise your video will have a random title with just a date. And then here there's a direct link to publish to YouTube, which is really convenient. It's even easier than doing it the other way. So with Screencastify, it's super easy. The only thing is, the first time you do it, they will ask you the link to your YouTube channel. Once it's linked to your YouTube channel, you can just screencast all day and publish to YouTube. It really takes 5 minutes in total, including making the screencast. It's very, very easy. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have questions.